Oh, same. Huh. That's the first time I had a problem with this 9mm. Oh!
Did you hit something? That one hit me.
I am beast.
What are you hitting?
Every single clay target out there.
Hey, let me get some shots.
Oh! Oh!
I don't kill him all.
Yeah.
Shoot at the broken one.
Don't get the ones really far. I want to hit him with the Enfield. Jesus Christ, what the hell was that?
What are those guys shooting with the cannon?
Oh, you're up.
Alright, I need to, quick load. Excuse me, coming through.
Oh.
Epic. Fail.
Nope, it's not going in. Tone. The bolts aren't. The clip's empty. Oh, no, it's not. My Enfield.
There we go.
Keep hitting me with them. Holy shit! They're hitting me. Right in my hand.
Whoa!
Went right over your head.
I need
Hey,
to,
Yo, film me. I wanna shoot the Enfield.
yeah.
Film me, right?
Now we.
I got one in the chamber still.
Alright, it's still recording. Alright, just let me get this up. Hey, tell me if I grab my guns. That's a heavy rifle. Where can I put this?
Right in the middle.
Wow. Shackling.
Oh, what the hell?
You got me?
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, look, this one.
Why are the same cannon?
You make sure you got an American one?
They're made in Russia, aren't they?
No.
Oh.
British ingenuity. Jesus, someone's taking a sledgehammer to you.
Oh.
Looks like I hit that one, right?
Yeah.
I'm thinking, I think I'm gonna shoot the Marlin. What do you think, huh?
How do I stop it?
Alright, let's see. You gonna say something like always?
Can I use the
Holy shit.
Shock me. Holy crap.
Yeah. Oh, good. Oh, good.